attract people, they move imagination. Today we're diving deep into a name that sounds aggressive, futuristic, and unforgettable, the Falcon Z. This isn't just another concept car story, this is a vision of speed, dominance, and next-generation automotive thinking brought to life. The Falcon Z represents the idea of what happens when designers are given total freedom. No limits, no compromises, no rules written decades ago. From the very first glance, the Falcon Z feels less like a car and more like a statement. It's bold, sharp, and unapologetically extreme. Every line, every surface, every curve seems engineered to provoke emotion before performance even enters the conversation. Let's start with its overall presence. The Falcon Z sits low, wide, and planted, almost as if it's gripping the ground with intent. The body proportions are aggressive, emphasizing width and stance over height. This isn't a vehicle that blends into traffic, it dominates the environment around it. Whether parked or moving, it commands attention in a way few modern designs dare to attempt. The exterior design philosophy of the Falcon Z revolves around aerodynamic intimidation. Sharp edges flow seamlessly into smooth surfaces, creating a balance between brutality and refinement. The body panels appear sculpted by airflow itself, as though the wind was used as a design tool. This gives the Falcon Z an almost organic feel, like a predator shaped by evolution for one purpose only: speed. At the front, the Falcon Z wears an unmistakable face. The headlights are slim, piercing, and aggressive, resembling the focused eyes of a bird of prey just before it strikes. Advanced LED and laser lighting technology gives them not only visual drama but also practical brilliance. The front fascia is clean yet menacing, with massive air intakes carved into the bumper, feeding the beast beneath the hood. The hood design is muscular and purposeful, featuring subtle vents and creases that hint at immense power hidden below. Nothing feels decorative, everything feels functional. Even the smallest design detail seems to serve airflow management or cooling performance. This is where the Falcon Z separates itself from typical concept cars that often favor looks over logic. Moving along the side profile, the Falcon Z truly shows its futuristic DNA. The roofline slopes gracefully toward the rear, forming a coupe-like silhouette that enhances aerodynamic efficiency. Flush door handles, frameless windows, and seamless panel gaps create a clean, uninterrupted flow from front to back. Massive alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, wrapped in ultra-low profile performance tires that scream track readiness. The side skirts are sculpted to channel air precisely, reducing drag while increasing downforce. Even at a standstill, the Falcon Z looks fast. This is the kind of design that feels alive, as if it's itching to break free from the studio floor and attack the open road. At the rear, the Falcon Z becomes truly unforgettable. The back end is wide, aggressive, and futuristic, with a full-width LED light bar stretching across the tail, giving it a distinctive night signature. The taillights glow with a sharp, modern intensity, ensuring the Falcon Z is instantly recognizable even in darkness. The rear bumper is massive, housing a bold diffuser that looks ready for serious aerodynamic work. Quad exhaust outlets or integrated performance vents hint at extreme power and advanced engineering. The Falcon Z logo sits proudly at the back, minimal yet powerful, reinforcing the identity of a machine built for dominance. Now let's step inside, where the Falcon Z shifts from raw aggression to futuristic luxury. The interior is designed around the driver, placing control and information at the center of the experience. This is not a traditional cockpit, it's a command center. Digital displays replace conventional gauges, offering customizable performance data, navigation, and real-time vehicle telemetry. Premium materials dominate the cabin, including carbon fiber, alcantara, brushed aluminium, and soft-touch leather. The seats are deeply bolstered, designed to hold the driver firmly during high-speed cornering while still offering comfort for long drives. Ambient lighting flows subtly across the interior, enhancing the futuristic atmosphere without becoming distracting. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed, race-inspired, and packed with integrated controls. Paddle shifters sit perfectly within reach, reinforcing the Falcon Z's performance focus. Even the center console feels minimalistic yet advanced, featuring touch-sensitive controls and haptic feedback that responds instantly to driver input. One of the most impressive aspects of the Falcon Z interior is its focus on connectivity and intelligence. Advanced AI systems monitor driving behavior, road conditions, and vehicle performance in real time. This allows the car to adapt dynamically, adjusting suspension stiffness, throttle response, and even aerodynamic elements to match driving style and environment. Under the skin, the Falcon Z is imagined as a technological powerhouse. While exact specifications may vary depending on interpretation, the concept hints strongly at a high-performance hybrid or fully electric powertrain. Instant torque delivery, lightning-fast acceleration, and near-silent operation combine to create a driving experience that feels both futuristic and brutally effective. The Falcon Z is envisioned to utilize advanced lightweight materials such as carbon fiber monocoque construction and aluminium subframes. This keeps weight low while maximizing structural rigidity. The result is a car that feels razor-sharp in corners, stable at high speeds, and incredibly responsive to driver input. Performance figures for a machine like the Falcon Z would likely be staggering. 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3 seconds would be expected, with top speeds pushing into supercar territory. But raw speed isn't the only focus here. The Falcon Z is about control, balance, and confidence at the limit. Suspension systems would likely feature adaptive dampers, active roll control, and multiple driving modes ranging from comfortable street use to full track attack. Braking would be handled by massive carbon ceramic discs, delivering fade-free stopping power even under extreme conditions. What truly makes the Falcon Z special is what it represents. It's not just a car, it's an idea. It shows us what happens when designers and engineers are allowed to dream without restriction. It challenges the automotive industry to push beyond safe, predictable designs and embrace bold, emotional creativity. In a world where many cars are starting to look and feel the same, the Falcon Z stands out as a reminder that vehicles can still inspire all. It proves that design can be fearless, that performance can be extreme, and that the future of driving doesn't have to be boring or overly sanitized. The Falcon Z also speaks to a new generation of enthusiasts who value both technology and emotion. It blends digital intelligence with raw mechanical presence, offering a driving experience that feels both cutting-edge and deeply visceral. This balance is what modern performance cars must achieve to stay relevant and exciting. As a concept, the Falcon Z may never reach full production in its purest form, but its influence could shape future designs for years to come. Elements of its styling, technology, and philosophy could easily find their way into next-generation sports cars, hypercars, and performance sedans. For enthusiasts, the Falcon Z is a dream machine. For designers, it's a source of inspiration. And for the automotive world as a whole, it's a bold reminder that innovation thrives when creativity is unleashed. That's the story of the Falcon Z, a machine built not just to move fast, but to move hearts and minds. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most exciting concept visions out there, make sure to stay connected with us right here on Down Under Motors, where passion for cars meets the future of performance.